Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best welding goggles is probably one of the most crucial pieces of equipment for any welder, protecting your eyes from the intense light and harmful radiation produced during the welding process. Auto-darkening technology takes this protection to the next level, automatically adjusting the lens shade to provide optimal clarity and safety. In this video, we'll dive into the best welding goggles, exploring their features and benefits to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. YESWELDER Auto Darkening Welding Goggles. This welding goggle features a wide shade range of 4.5 to 9.9 to 13. It is suitable for most common welding and plasma cutting processes. It is great for TIG, MIG, MMA, cut, and grind. The auto darken filter switches from light to dark in just 1/30,000th of a second. This protects your eyes from harmful light. The lightweight design and adjustable headgear make it comfortable for long-time use. It's powered by solar panel technology and a replaceable CR2450 lithium battery. The solar panel converts harmful arcs into electrical energy, extending its life. This also supports energy conservation and environmental protection. This goggle can adapt to a hard hat without an adapter. It allows users to weld in spaces where traditional welding helmets are limited. It is very convenient to use. It has a viewing size of 4.82 by 1.38 with 2 premium sensors. This allows welders to see clearly at different angles. You will have a great view when using it. What we like. This welding goggle offers a wide shade range, making it suitable for various welding processes. The clear view allows for precise work at different angles. Powered by solar technology, it's also eco-friendly. If you are looking for versatility and clear vision while also caring about the environment, you should consider this one. What people say. The auto-darkening feature works flawlessly. The goggles provide excellent protection from UV and IR rays. The adjustable head strap ensures a comfortable fit for extended use. Number 4. CREWORKS Auto Darkening Welding Goggles. These welding goggles from CREWORKS offer superior eye protection. They are designed for various welding processes, ensuring your safety during grinding, plasma cutting, and more. Featuring auto-darkening technology, this product adjusts to the intensity of the welding arc. This feature provides optimal clarity and protection, making your work easier and safer. With a wide shade range of 4.5 to 9.9 to 13, it adapts to different welding needs. This versatility makes it suitable for a variety of tasks, from TIG to MIG welding. These safety glasses are designed with comfort in mind, suitable for men. The design ensures a secure fit, providing reliable protection against sparks and harmful light. Whether you're grinding, plasma cutting, or performing TIG, MIG, or arc welding, this product is an excellent choice. It's a versatile tool for any welding project. What we like. This welding goggle provides a wide shade range for different welding tasks. It ensures eye protection and includes a grinding function. If you need a versatile goggle for both welding and grinding, this is a great choice. What people say. The auto-darkening feature works great. The goggles are lightweight and comfortable to wear for extended periods. The lens provides a clear view of the weld. Number 3. Welding Glasses Auto Darkening, Solar-Powered Goggles. These auto-darkening welding glasses are solar-powered, ensuring you're always ready to work. They are designed to protect your eyes while providing clear visibility. The glasses automatically darken when welding, protecting your eyes from intense light. This feature allows you to work safely and efficiently. No need for batteries, as it's powered by solar energy. This makes it convenient and environmentally friendly. It's designed to be adjustable and lightweight for comfortable wear. You can wear it for long periods without feeling any discomfort. These goggles are designed with anti-fog and anti-glare features. It ensures a clear view of your work, enhancing precision and safety. These welding goggles provide essential protection for welders. It's a must-have for anyone working with welding equipment. What we like. This welding goggle is solar-powered, making it convenient and energy efficient. It's also adjustable and lightweight for comfortable wear. If you value ease of use and comfort during your welding tasks, you should consider this one. What people say. They are kick-ass and adjust to the right shade. These work great for tight spaces where your helmet is just too big to get your head close to the workpiece. Also good for tacking. I like these auto-darkening welding glasses. Not adjustable like many helmets, but work excellently as is. Number 2. Jackson Safety Rebel Welding Mask. This welding mask features a lightweight and compact design. It is designed to reduce neck strain and fatigue, making it ideal for extended use in various work environments. The hood provides complete head and neck protection. It is made of high-performance, flame-resistant fabric, ensuring safety from sparks and spatter. The mask is equipped with intuitive digital controls. External push buttons allow for easy adjustments, even while wearing gloves. This mask is designed for maximum productivity. The replaceable battery lasts up to 1,300 hours. It also fits over most prescription eyewear. This product meets ANSI Z 87.1 and CSA Z 94.3 standards. It is also CE certified, ensuring it meets the necessary safety requirements. What we like. This welding mask features a lightweight design, reducing neck strain. It offers complete head and neck protection with a flame-resistant hood. The digital controls make adjustments easy. If you need comprehensive protection and ease of use, especially in confined spaces, this is the one for you. What people say. The auto-darkening feature works great. The lens is very clear and the view is great. The headgear is very comfortable. Number 1. Welding Goggles Auto-Darkening Solar Welders Helmet. Are you tired of struggling with welding glare? This product is designed to protect your eyes. It automatically darkens to shield you from intense light. The auto-darkening feature is a game changer. It adjusts instantly to changing light conditions. This ensures optimal vision and safety during welding. Forget about batteries. This welding helmet is solar-powered. It's always ready when you are, providing reliable performance. Whether you're gas torch cutting or welding, this helmet has you covered. It's designed for various welding and cutting tasks. It offers reliable eye protection. This welding helmet is designed for comfort. It's lightweight and easy to wear for extended periods. You can focus on your work without distraction. What we like. This welding goggle offers auto-darkening capabilities for quick transitions. It features a flip-up lens for convenience and ensures eye protection. If you like a simple and effective design with essential eye protection, this is a good option. What people say. The auto-darkening feature works flawlessly. The goggles provide excellent clarity and a wide field of view. The adjustable head strap ensures a comfortable and secure fit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.